Xbox Game Pass, new Day 1 game for January 2025. Microsoft has just confirmed the launch date for 33 Immortals, one of the Day 1 Xbox Game Pass games set to be released in 2025. Gaming enthusiasts are eagerly waiting as only a few months remain until the end of 2024. However, they should be stacked for Xbox Game Pass, preventing any release date delays. The next few months in particular are set to be incredibly busy for Xbox Game Pass. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is confirmed to arrive on Game Pass on October 25th, while Microsoft Flight Simulator 24 and Stalker 2 are on deck for November. Moreover, Indiana Jones and the Great Circle would be one of the last major Day 1 Xbox Game Pass games that arrived in 2024, slated to join the subscription service in December. A variety of high-profile games confirmed for the Xbox Game Pass 2025 lineup, and now yet another one can be included in the list. Recently, Microsoft released a roadmap of its upcoming Day 1 releases. The Xbox Game Pass roadmap included a release date announcement for 33 Immortals, joining the Xbox Game Pass lineup as a Day 1 game on January 25th, 2025. Here are the Xbox Game Pass games set to be released in 2025. 33 Immortals, January 25th. Avowed, January 18th. Atomfall, March 2025. Citizen Sleeper 2. Descenders next. Doom, The Dark Ages, Expedition 33, Fable, Frostpunk 2 Console, Lost and Random, The Eternal Die, Mixtape, Replaced, Sleight of Hand, Sniper Elite Resistance, Towerborn, Void Train, Winter Burrow, Wu Chang, Fallen Feathers. For those gamers unfamiliar with 33 Immortals, it's the next title from Studio Thunder Lotus Games. Thunder Lotus is best known for its 2020 masterpiece Spiritfarer, along with games like Jotun and Sundered. 33 Immortals claim to ensure that Xbox Game Pass receives 2025 started on the right foot.